Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jollof Rice. Today's jollof rice recipe is a very easy and direct one. Add the vegetable oil, add the onions and garlic. Garlic is optional. Then add a little bell pepper to give it that flavor. We'll still use more of the bell pepper, but this particular one I added is for flavor, to give the rice a very distinct and unique flavor. Then the curry powder is also for flavor. Then you add your tomato paste. Yes, this paste is going to give the rice the wonderful color you see it has. You can still add more coloring. There are different spices you can use to make your food more colorful. You can share the spices you use in making your jollof rice more colorful in the comment section, so we can all learn. So you add the meat stock and add more water. Then crayfish is optional, so after adding it you stir. Add more seasoning cubes because the meat stock does not have enough seasoning cubes for the quantity of the rice that I'm about to cook. So you add the rice, make sure the rice is leveled. It depends on the kind of rice you use. The rice I use is not a very hard one, but if you're using a hard rice you have to put more water. But even if you're putting more water, it shouldn't be too much so that your rice won't be gummy. Then after the rice has cooked for a while, you open it. Before the water dry up completely, you add the green beans, the remaining bell pepper and carrots. Then you cover it to steam. Yes, steam for a while. Then as it's steaming, the rice will dry up immediately. Allow the rice to get a little burnt so that I'll get that smoky burnt flavor in the rice. Aren't you loving this already? This is delicious, simple, direct. You can do this, cook this recipe when you have party in the house or even a large occasion. Just multiply the ingredients. This is wonderful. Please drop your comments and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.